Everything begins with an idea. The big thing is that you know what you want. People are where they are because that is exactly what they really want to be, whether they will admit that or not. Everything that's really worthwhile in life comes to us. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. Learn to enjoy every minute of your life. Be happy now. Don't wait for something outside of yourself to make you happy in the future. Think how really precious is the time you have to spend, whether it's at your work or with your family. Every minute should be enjoyed and savored. Everything in the world we want to do or get done, we must do with and through people. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge and rule our lives from within. Your problem is to bridge the gap which exists between where you are now and the goal you intend to reach. You are, at this moment, standing right in the middle of your own acres of diamonds. There is a time when one must decide either to risk everything to fulfill one's dreams or sit for the rest of one's life in the backyard. What's going on the inside shows on the outside. You are now, and you do become what you think about. Problems are challenges to creative minds. Without problems, there would be little reason to think at all. When you judge others, you do not define them, you define yourself. We are all self made, but only the successful will admit it. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. We must be the epitome, the embodiment of success. We must radiate success before it will come to us. A person who does not read is no better than one cannot read. Successful people are not people without problems. They are people who know how to solve their problems. A great attitude is not the result of success. Success is the result of a great attitude. Watch what everyone else does. Do the opposite. The majority is always wrong. The biggest mistake that you can make is to believe that you're working for somebody else. Whenever we are afraid, it's because we do not know enough. If we understood enough, we would never be afraid.